Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you. It is free 99 to hit that subscribe button and join. Over here we do digital budgeting, we do cash envelopes, we do saving challenges. We're trying to save $3K in our emergency fund right now. We do everything, there's a little bit of everything. And this year, 2024, I really want to get more on my tracking game, tracking with Tara, baby. But I always try to track my credit cards. I'm trying to track my variable expenses a little bit more just to get an idea of what I've been spending my money on and be able to see next year if I'm doing good or how I can make better changes and save a little extra money. So I'm trying to get into that. You guys, I'd already recorded this video once, so a lot of the tracking has already been done, but I stopped recording and it wasn't right. So I'm going to show you kind of where I'm at with it. And the lighting in here might be weird because it's a cloudy day. It's like that chill in your pajamas and do nothing day. But we got to get this out. So we got things to do. We're going to be tracking our variable expenses. They're all the things that I stuff in my cash envelope. I already have trackers in here. So we're just making sure they're up to date. A lot of them are updated before, you guys see. And also I wanted to make sure I was utilizing the information in this budget binder. However, the trackers, they give you so many, which is nice. You get 4 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 pages. I don't need 4 pages. I have already, like I said, started to track. What I will say I can tell right now is I don't like the categories are date, description, category, and amount. This to me is redundant. To me, it's going to be, I'm going to rename them for the next time. Date, description, amount, and balance. Because I don't like that there's not a balance section. I just filled this out kind of here just to give myself a feel of it. But next time, I'll probably use this sheet and rename them. And we'll do them together. But you guys don't really need to see what I wrote here because you'll see it on my tracker over here. But I just want y'all to know that I'm using it. I'm using it. Okay? I'm doing it. I'm trying. So let's get into our cash envelopes and where we're at. Where are we at, girl? Where are you at? Agnes says hello. So groceries, we have no money left in groceries. Okay, none. So this is, I just went to Kroger today. Happy 11/11 today, y'all. And I spent $42.63. If y'all know me, I just round up to 43. So I need to put that in my Merrifield and Fetch apps. Make sure you guys are doing that. Get your points. It seems like it doesn't add up, but it adds up. So on 11/4, I deposited $90. On that same day, I actually ended up giving my grandmother $10. And so I had $80 left. On 11/4, again, I went to Kroger and bought $34 worth of groceries, which left me with $46. Then on 11/6, I went to Domino's because I made enough for lunches, but I just didn't make enough for dinners. So I bought a pizza and a flatbread. And that was $15, and that was $31 left. Then when I went to Kroger, I spent $31 out of here and had $0. Now, y'all saw that bill was $40-something. So I had $1 in coin that I used. So let's make it make sense. This thing is horrible. I cannot stand that tiny little calculator. My fingers are entirely too big for that. So when we went to Kroger, our bill was, what did we say, $42.65. So I always round up. It was $43. And then we had $31 in there. So we still owed, and then we had $1 in coin that we used. So we still owed $11. So what I did was I took $11 from self-care, which you'll see when we get to self-care. So that's why there's nothing left in groceries. All right. And then so gas, I also bought gas at Kroger because you get like a discount. It says $30. That's what I gave her initially, but I only ended up using $20. So let's check the tracker out. We have cash stuffing of $60. That was what we started on 11/4. 11/11 today. We spent $20. I only ended up spending $20, and now I have full gas to tank. I was at quarter tank, spent $20. Now we're full, and so we should have $40 left. $20, $30, $40 left. Amen. We have $4 left in groceries. I'm sorry, in gas for the rest of the time. We should be getting a paycheck this Friday coming up. On what is that, the 17th or something? But we should be fine until then. So then allowance or eating out really is what that is. I have a Domino's receipt because $15.10. Can you see it? $15.10 again. I bought it again for like lunch, the same thing. It was actually pretty good. I was shocked. So let's check our tracker. We had cash stuff $30 on 11/4. That same day I got Chinese food. Y'all know my Chinese spot. It was $12, so that was $18. And then on 11/9 I got Domino's, and that was minus $15.10, basically $15. The 10 cents would have came out of the change, which leaves us with, that is not $15, fam. 18 minus 15 is 3. Can't we add 18 minus 15? $3. So we should have $3 left. Baby. And the math is not math then. $3. So we have $1, $2, $3, just like the tracker now says. So that's what we have in allowance. I don't be much eating out happening. And then self-care. We're going to come back to that $11. Remember, self-care originally had $40 on 11/4. Then today, 11/11, I actually took $20. I should really put minus 20 in like caps. I took $20 out to transfer to groceries, and I used 11 of those 20, leaving us at $29. Or we should have $29. So let's make sure my math is mathing. We had 40. We used 11 of it towards the groceries. And now we have $29. Or we should have $29. So 25, 6, 7, 8, 9. $29 is exactly what we have left in self-care. That's not where it goes. Some raggedy dollars. But we're glad to have them. Then last but not least, we've got giving. And our sheet says on 11/4, we had $6. And then 11/4, we actually gave $1 more towards grandma's food. That left us with $5 to American Deli. And then 11/4, we had put with emergency. Okay, so we had that money that we had saved, that we put an extra dollar in from the giving to make it $100 total. If you saw my transfer, like, what's that thing called? My savings update on my savings emergency fund thing, you would have seen that where it was the extra dollar added in. This is where it came from, and that left us with $4. So we should have $1, $2, $3, $4 left, just like it says. Okay, so you guys, we filled out the tracker in the budget binder. We've filled out the trackers in our thing. This is where we're at now. So actually, I want to see. I'm a little curious as to where we are with how much money. Don't be ridiculous. How much money we actually have left. So groceries has nothing. That's easy. And then $40 is 20, 30, 40. Y'all can see it. $40 is still in gas as of today, 11/11. And then allowance has, what did we say, $3? $1, $2, $3. Yep. $3. And then self-care is 29, I believe. 25, 6, 7, 8, 9. Upside down. $29. Plus 29. Plus, it has 4 in giving, I believe. 2, 3, 4. And 4. So right now, we have the potential of saving $76. Okay? in these cash envelopes. Let's put them back in their places. Hopefully we can save at least 50. That would be my goal every time, to have a good 50 left, but 76 would be even better. Now, if you're done here, you're done. Thank you so much for watching. But since I bought such a small amount of groceries, I'm going to share them with you now. I bought some corkscrew pasta. This is actually in preparation for Thanksgiving because I know I want to make some mac and cheese. I also, as a treat, because my friend Lisa kept saying how good it was, and I keep telling her I don't like non-dairy ice cream because it always tastes icy to me, but she said the non-dairy Ben & Jerry's almond milk one was delicious, so I bought it and I'm trying it. That was definitely more of a splurge, but if she says it's good, we're trying it. These were also more for Thanksgiving preparation. So Tillamook, I've never had this cheese, but I heard it's decently good. So farm raised, this is Monterey Jack cheese, pepper jack, and with jalapeno. This is pepper jack, so Monterey Jack cheese with jalapeno peppers, and this is extra sharp cheese for my macaroni and cheese dish. I would like to get like some Gouda or something to add, but we'll see if we have money for that. Then pepper jack cheese. This is just for grilled cheeses that I plan on having this week. And then I also picked up spicy Thai chili. It's so annoying. These are $1.30 something now. They used to be $1 each, so I only picked up 2. But these, I actually like them with the pepper jack cheese in like a grilled cheese, like a grilled tuna melt kind of situation. Another meat option is going to be a ground beef. Always a winner in my book. It's probably going to go for spaghetti or some kind of noodle dish with just pasta, because I already have pasta and noodles here instead of like tacos because I don't have any shells or anything with me. But that's another dish item. We'll just kind of be winging it this week with the food. And then we've got our ride or die when things are hard, the savory, or whichever flavor they had. They only had savory. It smells so good, but it's a rotisserie chicken, the third portion meat option. And also, in order to make the grilled cheeses, I have to have bread. So this was a steal of a deal. This was $1.99. This is Lewis Bake Shop. Special recipe artisan style bread. They've been baking bread since 1924. Half a loaf. Y'all know it's just me, so half a loaf is more than enough. And this is still good until November 24th, which is perfect. So that is that everything? I think that's everything I purchased for $40-something. Not so bad, I don't think. I want to make sure I'm not missing anything, but that's not so bad. And I'm planning on having like spaghetti, grilled cheeses, of course, chicken and rice. We should be able to make it on our little 43. And if you think about it, these were $7. So if we think about my budget, if we had $43 $43 is what I spent. The 2 first cheeses were $7, and those are actually Thanksgiving. And then the corkscrew was like $1.50, let's call it. So $34 of it was actually $34.50 was actually what I spent on my own groceries. And honestly, if I hadn't bought myself the ice cream, I could have spent under $30. So I'm not feeling too bad because some of the things I purchased were for Thanksgiving. And I think, that's probably the best thing to do right now, y'all, is to start picking up the stuff for Thanksgiving now, especially that I see a lot of the pasta, the cheese and stuff are on sale right now. So I hope this was helpful for you guys, just seeing the little grocery haul thrown in there at the end. That's what I spent my money on, just happened to be just coming from the grocery store. So thanks so much, guys, for watching. Remember, order to be great. You have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year. Are you tracking your expenses? How did you do on your grocery shopping? Are you over on anything? Have you been able to save some money? Let me know. All right. Faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Bye. Jazzy.